So let's solve this problem together. We have root x to the power of 3 is equal to 1 over 8. Let's recall when I have root a, this is the same as a to the power of 1 over 2. And when we have root a all to the power of 3, this is the same as a to the power of 1 over 3. So our root x, we have x to the power of 1 over 2 further raised to the power of 3 to be equal to 1 over 8. So when I have a to the power of m further raised to the power of n, this is the same as a to the power of m times n. So multiplying these powers, we have x to the power of 3 over 2 or equal to 1 over 8. So let's square both sides to have x to the power of 3 to be equal to 1 over 8 to the power of 2. So we have x to the power of 3 is equal to 1 over 64. Now our 64, we have 64. When we divide by 4, we have 16. Divide by 4, we have 4. And when we divide by 4, we have 1. So 64 is equal to 4 to the power of 3. So we have x to the power of 3 is equal to 1 over, our 64 is 4 to the power of 3. So we have this. So we have x to the power of 3 is equal to 1 over 4 all to the power of 3. This is the same as s to the power of 3 minus, moving this over to the left, we have 1 over 4 all to the power of 3 is equal to 0. So our a to the power of 3 minus b to the power of 3 is equal to a minus b times a squared plus ab plus b squared. So we can rewrite this as x minus 1 over 4 times x squared plus x over 4 plus 1 over 4 all squared is equal to 0. So this simply means that x minus 1 over 4 is equal to 0, and x squared plus x over 4 plus 1 over 16 is equal to 0. So our x is equal to 1 over 4. So we have x1 here. So for this quadratic equation, multiply through by 16, we have 16x squared plus 4x plus 1 to be equal to 0. So our a is equal to 16, b is equal to 4, and c is equal to 1. So using the quadratic formula, x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4 times a times c, or over 2 times a. So we have x to be equal to minus 4 plus or minus 4 squared minus 4 times 16 times 1, or over 2 times 16. So x is equal to minus 4 plus or minus 4 to the power of 2. We have 16 minus 4 times 16, all over 32. So we have x to be equal to minus 4 plus or minus, we have factorial 16 here. We have 1 minus 4 all over 32. So I have x to be equal to minus 4 plus or minus the square root of 16. We have 4. We have 1 minus 4, which is minus 3, all over 32. We have x to be equal to, when we factor out 4, we have minus 1 plus or minus root 3i, all over 32. So our x is equal to 4 into 32. We have 1 over 8. We have minus 1 plus or minus root 3i all over 8. So the values of x, we have x1 to be equal to 1 over 4. Our x2 to be equal to minus 1 plus root 3i all over 8. And we have x3 to be equal to minus 1 minus root 3i all over 8. Thank you for watching to the end of this video. Subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our solutions.